Hello, all the students. Good morning. There is homework is given by me. Learn the following questions on page 320, 321. Question number 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Chapter motion. Now chapter force. A bullet of the sticks a sandbag at a speed 10 meter per second and gets embedded after traveling 5 centimeters. Calculate. Number first, resistive force exerted by the sand on the bullet. Number second, the time taken by the bullet to come to rest. Solution. M equal 10 gram, U equal 10 meter per second, S 5 centimeter, V equal 0. By the third law of motion, P square equal U square minus 2S. Here is retardation. 0 square equal 10 power 3 square minus 2 into A into 5 over 100. A over 10 equal 10 power 6. A equal 10 power 7. We know that the second formula of Newton's law, F equal ma, F equal 10 gram into 10 power 7 meter per second equal 10 over 1000, because 1 kg equal 1000 gram into 10 power 7. Cancel 0 by 0 and 100, 10 power 7 minus 2. 4, therefore force equal 10 power 5. So motion, V equal U minus 80. V equal 0, U equal 10 power 3 minus 10 power 7 T. 10 power 7 T equal 10 power 3. T equal 10 की power 3 over 10 की power 7. T equal 10 की power 3 minus 7. There is T equal 10 power minus 4 second. This is the answer. A force of 5 Newton produces an acceleration of 4 meter per second square on a mass m1 and an acceleration of 24 meter per second square on a mass m2. What acceleration would the same force provide if both the masses are tied together? Solution. F1 equal 5 Newton, A1 equal 4 meter per second square. By the second law of motion, F1 equal M1 A1. 5 equal, putting the value of F1 5, M1 into putting the value of A1 4. Therefore M1 equal 5 over 4 kilogram. A2 equal 24 meter per second square. By the second law of motion, F2 equal M2 A2, 5 equal M2 24 Therefore M2 equal 5/24 kg. When together tied, both masses M1 plus M2, 5/4 plus 5/24 equal 30 plus 5/24, 35/24 kg. We know that F equal MA, 5 equal 35/24 A equal 5 divided 35/24 equal 5 into 24/37. 5 is 1 and 35 7. Therefore 24/7 is divided. The answer 3.8428. 3.428. Therefore A equal 3.43 meter per second. Momentum of a body of mass 5 kg, if its velocity changes from 30 to 40 meter per second. If this change in velocity occur within 2 seconds, find force applied. Change in momentum delta P equal P2 minus P1. MB2 minus MB1, 5 into 40, putting the value of M 5, final velocity 40 minus mass 5 into initial velocity 30. 50 kilogram meter per second. Therefore force F equal delta P over delta T. The putting the value of delta P 50 and time interval 2. 50 divided by 2 25. Yeah. So force equal 25 Newton. That's all.